Oh, yep. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, she's got to pack up. She's finishing.
The right lane to take the US 202 North ramp.
She's finishing school.
Who?
Ann. She's a teacher. Remember?
Oh yeah.
We gotta get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Can you get out? Call 911. Call 911. Siri.
大雨咧，尋日見翻你個太陽出現嚇，個人都會感覺到。Better kind of go check even there's a dent. I'm dick. There's nothing more that gets people heated up than this thing, bro. You don't know when it goes down.
his impressions of what the war was doing to this country. He was an intriguing man in this period, almost as if there were a split personality caught between two loyalties, and more, caught between two eras. In those days, he could still be part of the planning of the bombing, but be a very different man in the evening, going to dinner parties, raising a glass to someone like Moyer.
Back, but nothing was inside. You think the devil has horns? Well, so did I. But I was wrong. His hair is gold and he wears a suit. These men, the light, the picture is so small, so bright. He's a devil.
Fucking nothing fix. I'll throw this at you, faggot. Yeah, shaking because you're a look at me in the face. You're a
Cops are coming.
hey, team talk right, you hillbilly.